What do you think of Electrolux versus LG washing machines?
LG makes decent, front-loader washing machines. LG washers rated 9th and 10th in Consumer Reports.
9th out of 100 is good. 9th out of 10 is horrible.
That's out of 20 or so they reviewed.
That means the LG washers are middling at best.
However, both of those LG washers were recommended by Consumer Reports.
I wonder which brands scored better than LG.
Whirlpool was a Consumer Reports best buy. Ironically, so was the LG washer that rated 16th.
How on earth does a lower-rated machine get a higher recommendation?
That's mostly because it was several $100s less than the better-rated LG washers.
Ah, price versus capability. If a unit half the price does just as good, it gets a higher recommendation.
LG had the top-rated top-loader washing machine.
Front loaders are more efficient.
They also cost more, have more noise due to vibrations and often fail to clean well because they try to be too miserly with the water. And that's on top of the noise.
I thought top loaders were noisier.
Top loaders just spin around a central axis. When a front loader spins, it is shaking the machine up and down, generating noise unless it has dampeners.
Noise dampeners.
No, vibration dampeners. So it makes noise due to the vibrations as well as the overall machine noise.
It sounds like LG is better, just because Consumer Reports rates it higher in several different categories.
And Electrolux didn't make high-rated machines in either category.
Then LG is better, for at least this type of appliance.
But stay away from their refrigerators and ovens. Those are problematic.